Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Temu credit balance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to withdraw your Temu credit balance here and maybe use it in other ways, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, in order for us to know if it's actually possible, we need to visit the official information page directly from Temu itself, because sometimes they do update this from time to time. So let's go open up the Temu app here, and let's go and click on the U tab or the U section at the bottom center of your screen. Let's go and select this one. Now at the top right of the screen, you should see the gear icon or the settings icon next to the help center icon here. But what you're looking for specifically is going to be your credit balance. So in the credit balance section, if you press or click on it, so if you're not aware, if you press or click on it, this will expand your credit balance. Now in here, you should see your totals, your history, and a lot more. Now, if you click on the I icon, so the circular one that has the I letter on it at the top right, if you select this one, this will give you all the information about credit balances inside Temu. Now, if you read the section here that says, can I withdraw cash from my credit balance here? Now, according to Temu, now this is directly from their platform. Your credit balance here are only usable inside Temu. But the great thing about those balances inside Temu, they don't typically expire. So in this case, you can hold this for a few years and even still use it after those years, which is a great thing here. Now, the exact question here, can you actually withdraw it? Well, the thing with credit balances in Temu is you will not have the option, or they will never, or they cannot leave your account. So they, again, according to them, you can only use it inside their platform. Now, if you still have some questions, like for example, you're a special case, maybe someone, in this case, actually made a mistake for your account, you could also contact their customer service for some assistance. So you could go and click on contact help here, and typically this will redirect you to the chat window here for Temu's customer service. Now you could also add or type in whatever is your current situation right now, proof of what exactly happened, and from then on just interact with their support and see if they can actually make the transfer. Then again, this is not a guarantee, this is just for like special cases. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.